Your dryer, Whirlpool, model number YWED4850HW0, not working. Carefully power it off. Make sure you have powered it off. Remove the screws. Make sure you leave all the screws one place so you don't lose it. Remove all the screws. So this is the back of it. You have a sensor, heat sensor here, heat sensor here. You have a heat sensor in here, and you have the diffuser. Actually, this is a resistant, thermal resistant in here. So you have to check this one with your meter, and if it's you see, no connection, no connectivity. So that's it, that's your problem. Please do not do this job while it is connected to electricity. So that's the old one, and we are replacing with a new thermal fuse. After replacing the thermal fuser, please inspect that here is not clogged. There is clean the lens in here. There you will find a lot, and then also clean the vent that goes outside. There will be inside lens that you have to clean, and the reason for that thermal fuse to burn is the exhaust system when it's clogged. Now we have changed it the new fuser right here, and then we inspect for any dirt. Everything is good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this while the electricity is off, and we make sure all the screws been closed properly, and we place it back. Now we're gonna try it. We hooked it on, and let's see. There you go, it's working.